What's going on YouTube? So it's Martin
and Christina
from Thrift Store Gold back at you with another video. So in today's video guys, we're going to be going over our sales in the last week. We sold about 13 things, so we're going to be showing you guys what we paid for them and the net profit that we got. So stay tuned guys. Okay, so now that you guys are back from that intro, her name is Christina, my name is Martin, we're a reselling couple, we do thrifting, retail arbitrage, and we've been documenting it all for the past couple months now, so you should definitely check out all of our other YouTube videos. We got over like 140 for you guys to check out. That's what we've been doing, that's a little bit about us if you guys are new to this channel, so if you are new, you should definitely consider subscribing, and check out right here, we got an Amazon gift card giveaway going out once we get 1,000 subscribers, so we just hit 800, so thank you guys so much for the 800 mark. We were grinding so hard to get that, and now we're just on to 1,000, 200 more subscribers guys. We can do this. So let's get into this video. We sold 13 things last week, so from the 21st to today's date we sold 13 things, and it's pretty crazy actually. So we're gonna go through and tell you what we sold and what we sold for, and then at the end we'll share with you guys the profits
and how much we spent.
Yes.
Alright, so number one on the list is a Bridges of Georgetown suit jacket. They paid us $25.99 plus $5.99 shipping.
Yes, that was a good flip.
Number two on the list is a Victoria's Secret pink blue bra that sold for $13.50 plus $5.99 shipping.
That one was really quick too.
Yeah, it was. It was one of like the third or fourth ones that we sold on like the second day.
Yeah, literally it sold within like a day or two. Yeah. Bras are pretty quick.
Yeah. So if you have any old bras.
And actually I was in a live stream the other day and I said bras sell good, and then somebody said especially bigger bras. So if you can maybe look out for bigger bras while you're outsourcing. I know it's kind of gross, you might not want to do that, but if you could find maybe like some Victoria's Secrets or like some pink bras, and they're bigger size, it might be worth buying and trying to sell on eBay.
There you go.
Because we sold these ones literally within days.
Number four on the list was a vintage Fisher-Price phone toy. So one of those old things you see in like Toy Story. That sold for $15 plus $5.99 shipping. Number five on the list is an O'Neill women's swimsuit cover-up dress kind of thing. That sold for $10 plus $5.99 shipping. And then number six on the list was a beer mug look-alike coffee mug. Yeah. That sold for $2.25 plus $9.99 shipping. Number seven on the list are Nike Vapor Elite cleats. Those sold for $39 plus $5.99 shipping.
That was actually a really good sale, and we picked those up kind of almost right at the end of winter, more before the end of winter, and we knew they were gonna sell more towards like the beginning of football season and like all these sports seasons. So we were okay with waiting them, and someone bought them for the right price.
Yeah, which we bought them at Marshall's, right?
Yeah.
They were, yeah, it was an actual retail arbitrage.
Yeah.
8 on the list is an Express women's gray tank top that sold for $13.99 plus $5.99 shipping. Number 9 on the list is a Nike LeBron James t-shirt that actually went to one of Dom's Facebook reselling group, but that sold for $11.99 plus $5.99 shipping. 10 on the list is a Real Skateboards hoodie that sold for $13 plus $5.99 shipping. 11 on the list is a Canterbury Irish rugby t-shirt that sold for $13 plus $5.99 shipping as well. Number 12 on the list is the Columbia jacket that we picked up recently at Dollar Tag Day.
Flashback. But that was that, and then this was the last thing that we found. This was definitely the best thing. We definitely expect to get some good money for this. Hopefully it still sells because it's not really in season, but hopefully someone will be looking for this. But like we said, we might have to wait till fall to sell this, but
that's okay.
To pick it up for $1 and to possibly flip it for like 30 to 40 bucks.
And even, because I mean it's still springtime, so like people might get it, but it's a really nice Columbia jacket.
Nice thick Columbia jacket with all the zippers. Everything's still intact, all the buttons, Columbia tag. So this is really nice. There's no rips. I honestly could wear this for myself. This is so nice. But yeah, super nice Columbia jacket.
End of flashback.
That sold for $14.01 plus $5.99 shipping, so we could get an even 20. The message or the buyer put in a message, so I was like,
not bad though. We'll take it.
Yeah. And then number 13 on the list is an eBay manual Buffalo Bills jersey, which sold for $8.01 plus $5.99 shipping.
Yes. So that was all of our sales, all 13 sales.
Yeah.
We honestly did not think we even sold that much in the last week. We were gonna let's make this video of like the top 10 sales of the last week,
Yeah.
and we ended up having 13. So that was almost pretty much 2 a day if you look at it. We've been consistently hustling, so big shout out to Christina for doing all that, because she does all the work with the eBay pretty much. I just help her out here and there. And
she does all the measurements, guys.
Yeah. And also big thank you to our special helper, so thank you. And yeah, I mean, those were our sales. So what you guys all been waiting for now is on this piece of paper right here. So we spent $12.50 for all of the items that we sold, and we made back before fees $180.74 we made. So not bad. We're really excited with that. That was, like I said, all before fees, so we haven't calculated like the PayPal fees or the eBay fees, but we just haven't put them into our spreadsheet yet. If you are curious to know that, leave it in the comments below. We would gladly share that with you.
And we paid $8 for those cleats by themselves.
Oh yeah.
So that one item took up more than half of what we spent.
Pretty much a lot of that stuff that you did see was our old stuff. And that's something we always say, is grab your old stuff that you aren't using, your old clothes, and sell that. So if you guys can pick out what was ours, leave in the comments below what you think was ours and what you think we did thrift, because we have pretty much a good mixture of our stuff and the thrifted stuff in that mix. So that was our video today. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Make sure to smash that like button if you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a comment down below if you got any questions, and if you're new, definitely consider subscribing, because we got daily videos coming out all the time. So much content for you guys, so much for you to learn. You can join our journey. And yeah, until next time guys, hope you have a great day or night whenever you're watching. Go crush it, guys. Peace.